Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So in this one, that is about sin x to the power of 2, everything to the power of 3. This one, that is about cosine x squared, everything to the power of 3. Now, we need to transform this one into this one. So, this one that should be like this. So, this one that is about number 1. Now, we need to add about 2 sin x squared cosine x squared. Later that, we need to minus about 2 sin x squared cosine x squared. So, we combine this one and this one. This one, that is about negative number 3. This one, that is about identities. So that should be about sin x squared plus cosine x squared, everything to the power of 2. This one, that is about number 1. Now, we have the formula in here. So, I will put about 2 square over 2 square. Next, this one we combine with this one. And this one, that is about sin 2x. This one, that is about 3 over number 4. Next, tan2x, that is about sin 2x over cosine 2x. Next, we can transform this way. So we have sin 2x squared, that is about this one. Now I will put cosine a squared go to the right. So this one we need to transform into 1 minus cosine 2x squared. Negative 3 over 4 multiplied by number 1 and negative in here. So this one, that is about 1 over 4. And now we can multiply by cosine 2x in here. And we have cosine 2x squared in here. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we multiply both sides by number 4. Next, we put number 1 go to the left and we divide both sides by number 3. So, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. So this one, that is about 2u du. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one, that is about number 2 and negative number 2. That's the form cosine here. So this one, we need to know that we don't have number 3, number 2 and negative number 2. So we need to divide both sides by this number in here. And we have like this. That is about negative 2u over number 3 du. And now we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here and we can find the value of u. That is about number 1. When s equals to b over 6, so we put b over 6 gone here and we have u equals to the square root of number 7 over number 4. So number 0 we change for number 1. B over 6 we change for this one. So this one, that is about this one. So we need to transform into this one. The square root, that is about u. Cosine 2x squared, that is about this one. Now we need to simplify number 3 and number 3. Now about 4u squared, that is about 2u minus 1 and 2u plus 1. Now I will put the negative cone here. Number 2, that is about 1 plus 1. We need to add about 2u. Later that we need to minus about 2u. So this one divide by this one, and this one we can put like this. And this one divide by this one. Now we have 1 over 2u plus 1, 2u minus 1 minus 1 over 2u plus 1. And now we have the final answer. And then we put the powers from number 1 to this one. Now we have the final answer. So I will put this one going here and here. Number 1 going here and here. So if we simplify and you got this one, this is the end. Thank you for watching.